This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. The PCV valve is located in the valve cover on all engines. Start the engine and let it idle. With the engine idling, pull the valve with the hose attached from the rubber grommet in the valve cover. Place your finger over the valve opening. If there's no vacuum at the valve, check for a plugged hose, manifold port, or the valve itself. Turn off the engine. If the hose is in need of replacement, first remove the engine cover. Disconnect the PCV hose from the intake manifold. Shake the PCV valve, listening for rattle. If the valve doesn't rattle, replace it with a new one by pulling it straight off the hose. Insert a new PCV valve completely into the hose. Connect the hose to the intake manifold, then push the PCV valve at the other end securely into the valve cover. Install the engine cover. Tighten the retaining bolt securely.